Hello friends, now we are going to study per unit analysis of transformer. We have one step up transformer, a voltage ratio 10 by 100 kV, and we know we can write the value of A is equal to 10, and if we can write step up transformer, so it will elaborate which kind of transformer it is. Now in the recent trends, the value of A will always be greater than 1, or step up or step down transformer will be mentioned. So here it is 10 by 100 kV, A is equal to 10. So what we basically want to do, we want to find out the Z per unit value referred to LV side once and refer to HV side once. So first, Z actual referred to LV side. We know about voltage. When voltage is referred from HV to LV, it will reduce. Current will be from HV to LV, it will increase, and the impedance value from HV to LV, it will also decrease, and it will decrease by A square. So 0.010 plus J 0.025 same of LV plus this HV side of impedance will be referred to LV side, then this will decrease by 10 square, 1 upon 10 square, 2 plus J 5. So Z actual value we got 0.030 plus J 0.075 ohm, because it is actual value. Now we want to find out the Z per unit referred to LV side. So we know the formula Z actual into MVAB upon KVB square. We are dealing with LV side, so the LV side of base value we can take any value. So let us assume KVB of LV is equal to 10. So automatically the KVB of HV will be how much? 100 kV, because we know that two set of voltage value we can take either side of transformer. So if here it will be 10, then second side it will be based on the transformation ratio of the transformer. So here we know the actual value 0.030 plus J 0.075 into MVAB. MVAB we can take any values, and that will be the same for the both side. So MVAB let us take 100, and same it will be here also. MVAB of HV will also be equal to what? 100. We know the base MVA will be same for the entire circuit. So 0.030 plus J 0.075 into 100 upon, we are dealing with LV side, so 10 square, 10 square 100 cancel out. So Z PU referred to LV side is equal to 0.030 plus J 0.075 per unit. Now we are going to find out Z actual referred to HV side. This value will be equal to, first write 2 plus J5 plus this LV. When it will be referred to HV, then it will increase by 10 square, and this will become 0.010 plus J 0.025. So overall will be 3 plus J into 7.5 ohm. Now Z per unit referred to HV side will be equal to Z actual 3 plus J into 7.5 into MVAB it 100, and we know the KVB of HV is equal to 100, so 100 square So 100 it will be cancelled out, and this will become 0.030 plus J 0.075 per unit. So what we found, ZPU referred to LV side is equal to ZPU referred to HV side is equal to 0.030 plus J 0.075 per unit. So this is all about the impedance. Now we are going to see about per unit value of voltage and current. So here in LV side, our operating voltage is 10 kV and the base voltage is also 10 kV. So VPU will be equal to, operating is 10, this 10 upon base value we took 10. So it will be 1 pu, and this is what VPU of LV is equal to 1 pu. So let us see here on HV side we have 100 kV operating voltage and 100 kV base voltage. So here it will be VPU of HV will be same, 100 upon 100, that is equal to 1. So VPU of HV is equal to 1 pu. We can study from here that VPU of LV is equal to VPU of HV, and we also know that ZPU referred to LV is equal to ZPU referred to HV. So what we can write is I per unit of LV will be equal to VPU of LV upon ZPU of LV here, and we can write IPU of LV is equal to VPU of LV is equal to VPU of HV from here. So we can write VPU of HV upon ZPU of LV is equal to ZPU of HV. So VPU of HV upon ZPU of HV will become IPU of HV. So we can write from here IPU referred to LV is equal to IPU of HV. So what we got, ZPU referred to LV side is equal to ZPU referred to HV side. First point. Second point is the voltage in per unit will be same for LV and HV side. Same for current, IPU of LV will be equal to IPU of HV. So here it is all about the per unit analysis of transformer. Thank you.